Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Kyodi. Kyodi replied to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 drop a song named Monster. Kyodi say real monster. So we're here. This is the fun of waiting to react to the songs. Cause every song drops, so I not have wait. Only not have wait on the reaction them. Me not have wait on the reaction them. Pan the song them for drop. So we hear Kyodi answer real monster Kyodi at this 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂. So I could jump to the one and say what Kyodi I say. Excited. I'm very excited. So make sure you like the videos. Yeah, like the fucking videos. Yeah, put a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, man. Let's go. Let's go.
Man.
Yeah.
Mad.
𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 on the track.
Room school. Yeah.
Marcus Records, Iconic Beats. OJ and the Beats.
Every one of them, man. Chill on the whole place. No boy, we no pamper. Hence I get conquer. Pull up with a 6 pants. Load like a tanker.
No boy, not get pamper. Ends I get, yo, listen to me. When I pour that no pussy from a boy show up them head, them a get it. That's how the G said, not me.
We no pamper. Hence I get conquer. Pull up with a 6 pants. Load like a tanker. You no know nothing youth. You no know gangster. Brawling murder. My body real monster.
Bumbo clot. The man say, yo, Guadas, you not no real monster. A mob are the real monster. I don't know, see a mob, Kyodi say. Mob are the real monster. Una no monster, brother. Una wangster. That is what Kyodi saying to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, not me. Yo, Kyodi, very lyrical artist, very clarity peak, melody peak, lyrics peak, but this one is doing it nice and calm. So it's the same rhythm, right? It's the same rhythm. I'm not sure.
You know nothing youth, you know no gangster. Brawling murder, my body real monster. Glen Devon CLM, killer them a flanker. Head mother fuck like coke on the ganja.
Bumbo cloud, what a comparison. What a comparison, season spliff. A season spliff, the man I tell you about. The man say, yo, head man, you fuck like coke on the ganja, brother. You know, so one time a man lick his season split more time, you know, so they mad out, right? I mean, I talk valiant mad out, I talk mad out. Gone. The man say, yo, me head mad, you fuck like coke panic. What a comparison, man.
CLM, killer them a flanker. Head mad, you fuck like coke on the ganja. Boy, I try test it, we just a get stronger.
Boy, I try test it, brother. Tell them no bother try, cause them no bother than I. That is what Kyodi is saying to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂. What?
Fuck like coke on the ganja. Boy, I try test it, we just a get stronger. Tell you about the 6 pants, we have something well longer. None of them pussy, they don't know why. None of them never make a move.
The man say, yo, none of them pussy, they don't know why. None of them never make a move. Them a baby to the thing. BABY, them a baby to the thing. Them no bad brother, them never make a move, them never mash a crime, lie them a tell. Capping in the rap. That is what the G is saying, not me. The man say, yo, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, you bad, bro.
None of them pussy, they don't know why.
No.
None of them never make a move.
No.
Remember the topic choke too far. One phone call and them doom.
Remember say the dopey truck not there too far. One phone call and them doom. Do your research on what the dopey truck is. I'm not gonna get into it. Yeah, bumbo clad.
Remember the dopey truck too far. One phone call and them boom. Fuck themself like a porn star. Killer them pull up and shoot. Pussy.
Fuck on yourself like a porn star. Yeah, fuck yourself like a porn star. The killer them pull up and shoot. Rewind. Boop. Yeah, fuck yourself like a porn star. If you're gonna do that, make sure you use condom, cause you have AIDS, you will give yourself AIDS. That's how the G said, not me to blood clad. Lord. Hallelujah.
Self like a porn star. Killer them pull up and shoot. Pussy them, none of them no know war. None of them never make it news. Turn it up and head and natch and run up on them. Hear them make a chatty no but and no gunman them.
Brother, me hear them a talk. Me them a wanna start capping a song and a chat shit. Them a no gunman, bro. Them a ask me why me keep closing my eyes. I'm closing my eyes because I want to get everything. I want to picture the scene. I want to picture the scene. That's why my eyes are closed. Let's go.
Turn it up and head and natch and run up on them. Yeah, they make a chatty, no butter, no gunman them. Pull up on them ends, you know them Syria, the Islam them. No how we gun them active, but how go we get the bomb them.
Yo, pull up on them ends and them seriously are the Islam them. The amount of bomb we have, brother, and all sitting so. We are run out, madam mean. Chai! Hey! Hey!
Pull up on them ends, you know them Syria, the Islam them. No how we gun them active, but how go we get the bomb them. Stop the bag of question, put that key up, understand it.
Yo, the man say, yo, you know, them know where we get the gun them from, but where the man get the bomb them from? Where the bomb here come from? Yo, stop, too much chatting, too much question, brother. Put that key up on the stand then, bomb
we gun them active, but how go we get the bomb them. Stop the bag of question, put that key up, understand it. Think motherfuckers like them not understand me. See la watch a laser beam upon him ganze. Dead. No boy we no pamper, hence I get conquer. Pull up with a 6 pants, load like a tanker. You no know nothing youth, you no know gangster. Brawling murder, my body real monster. Glen Devan CLM, killer them a flanker. Head motherfuck, like coke on the ganja. Boy I try test it in, we just a get stronger. Tell you about the 6 pants, we have something well longer. None of them pussy, they no know why. None of them never make a move. Remember the dopey chuck go far. One phone call and them boom. Fuck themself like a porn star. Killer them pull up and shoot. Pussy them, none of them no know war. None of them never make it news. Yo, I always left for shoot. Boy spread out on the ground. Him and him rotten tooth.
Wait. Yo, I always left for shoot. Boy spread out on the ground. Them and them rotten tooth. Remember say the music. Remember say them I say Tentic have rotten tooth. Tentic, me not looking at your mouth, so me don't know. Me don't know, dog. Me don't know if you have no rotten tooth. Furthermore, I'm in a business if you have no rotten tooth. But if you have rotten tooth, are you the man a shoot? Grime. Blood clot. Give me a line of the sack. Ooh, yo. Tentic. The man a say I got show you down, brother, yeah, your rotten tooth. Jesus. Kyodi. Yo.
Pussy them, none of them no know war. None of them never make it news. Yo, I always left for shoot. Boy spread out on the ground. Him and him rotten tooth. Watch him yai, shock your fuck like him get electrocute.
Watch him yai. Remember so when him spread out, you know, him yai still what me know. Still in shock, you know, no what go on, you know. Electrocute. Still in shock like he get electrocute. Get that? Shock, electrocute. Red player.
On the ground, him and him rotten tooth. Watch him yai, shock your fuck like him get electrocute. Watch him foot, them twist up, hairstyle, how are you? Yeah. Every man I get it in.
Watch him foot them twist up, hairstyle, how are you? Rope twist the ear, foot twist up. And next play upon words, bad bum buckler lyricist.
Electrocute, watch him foot, them twist up, hairstyle, how are you? Yeah. Every man I get it in all the entire crew. Mass over one face like we know how to catch a flu.
Yo, every man I get it, brother. Yeah, your whole Guala screw. Furthermore, I put on my mask over my face. Put on my mask over my face like me no want to get electric. You know what's in the next reaction? That way.
Feel it, them nobody know you all them do a screw. Gunshot in a face so that we like through. No boy we no pamper, hence I get conquer. Pull up with a 6 pants, load like a tanker. You no know nothing youth, you no know gangster. Brawling murder, my body real monster. Glen Devan CLM, killer them a flanker. Head motherfuck like coke on the ganja. Boy I try test it in, we just a get stronger. Tell you about the 6 pants, we have something well longer. None of them pussy, they no know why. None of them never make a move. Remember the dopey chuck go far. One phone call and them boom. Fuck themself like a porn star. Killer them pull up and shoot. Pussy them, none of them no know war. None of them never make it news. Thing mad.
Bumbo clot. Chilling what place the man say. Yo, the war is on. The war is on. Yo, we have to appreciate them two artists here. We are give you a showdown because we see Byron and TJ go a little one song each with you. And me never, yo, me did invested. No, me did invested. No, me not too interested. No, yes, so we don't know. Yes, so Authentic and Kyodi, thank you, bro. Song bad. Is it the same rhythm them depan? Is it the same rhythm that them depan? I don't know. I think so. Kyodi, bad. Authentic Monster. I think these two artists are evenly matched when it come on to flows, melody. The two of them have one hit song. The two of them have one big hit song. Like Kyodi did say in the Yardman this towards Byron. The two of them have one hit song. So Authentic have Roll Deep and Kyodi have Women Nice and Some Go on. So two fairly matched artists, two bad lyricists, two bad melody. Yo, bad artists, two bad artists. Yo, me appreciate to know. And fans, make sure say, know say I just musical. You understand? So don't take it physical. Yo, we got two artists them. Thanks for the show. We are go into the next reaction and now. Remember say now, the reaction them drop already, the song them drop already now, so we react all to So jump over the next one. Make sure say like a blood clot video now. Oh no, like a video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.